is so pretty.
Under the two hatch doors, we have life jackets. We have a safe record. We never used them. The river's 3 to 5 feet deep. You fall in, stand up, grab the kids, walk out. Luxury apartments scheduled to open in 4 to 5 months.
That sounds cool.
High on
Check that
our
out.
right side of the boat,
I think we just came back from it again.
Canopy Hotel.
I think I'm on my favorite place.
This is such a cool city.
The Whitty Museum and the San Antonio Zoo. The headwaters are just 3 to 4 miles.
It's not very good.
It tastes terrible, doesn't it, buddy?
Maybe.
I don't like it. I hate white cherry.
Arneson River Theater. Did you see the movie Miss Congeniality starring Sandra Bullock?
How pretty that is. It
Miss
looks like
Congeniality,
psychedelic
the
broccoli.
beauty pageant was
Looks like
filmed
broccoli
here
on
on
the
this
stage.
stage. Building about 6 years ago. Now look high straight ahead of us, the Ben Milam cypress, a twin trunk native bald cypress.
Wow.
Tree bridge built in
It is low.
1890 by Berlin Iron Bridge, East Berlin, Connecticut.
Wow, that was super
On the
low.
right side of our boat, there's Marriage Island, a very popular wedding spot under the cypress tree. In Arizona, on our the mansion on the river, the hotel opened for the 1968 World's Fair Hemisphere as the La Posada Inn. The site was originally St. Mary's School for Boys, 1853. It evolved into St. Mary's University and School of Law. She's about to turn 91. They closed the next hospital 4.5 years ago. Right before we opened, there are plans to possibly renovate that building into either hotel, condos, or apartments. The shops at River Center, it opened as River Center Mall, 1988.